Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another sweet, fun physics lesson. So my friends, let's get cracking. So my friends, let's start by double-clicking MT Tools, and then we can double-click on blank. When it launches, I need you to scroll out so that it says 10 meters. Then pull your sky down so the ground is at the bottom and your rest of your project is up at the top. Grab your rectangle tool and just draw a skinny rectangle up in the sky. Then grab it and raise it up moderately high and fixate it for now. For this project, we are going to determine how things fall. So I want you to scroll in and I want you to draw one circle at the end of your project and let it settle. Let's real quickly take the brush tool and turn on multi-draw and make that down to about 0.25, anywhere in there. And also just add a little hook so that your part doesn't allow things to roll off. I'm zooming in and adding one there as well, so it keeps the little balls in place just in case they're rolly. We need to shut off air friction, and then we need to click on our spheres that we made, and I want you to clone it 7 times. If you make more than 7, that's fine. We'll talk about how we can use those later, but we've got to have 7. Click on the first one you made, and we need to make its material glass. And hopefully you're figuring out now that we're going to do a different material for every single one of these. I will remind you again, air friction has to be off for this to work. And then go through your materials, helium, and do that for every single one of them. There's ice, rubber, and material steel, and material wood. Now you'll notice that we have a couple of extra ones over here. You can go on the internet and find the density and mass of a material we don't have. So maybe you want to do lead or silver or plutonium or something like that. You can create your own custom one and you can share the results with me as you test it. Alright friends, so this test is going to be to see what falls faster. We need to zoom out so that we can see the ground, and you need to make a best guess before you do this. So talk to your neighbors about which one of these materials, or even your custom ones, you think is going to fall faster. To make the process easy, we're going to click on our green, let's call it a shelf, and give it a destroy key of the letter D. So once again, discuss with your neighbors which one of these you think is going to fall faster, and then when you hit play, press the letter D and find your results. Alright my friends, make sure that you've discussed this and tested it yourself, but let's walk through the explanation of what we've got here. When we press D, they all fall at the exact same rate. This is a property of physics. Everything is pulled down because of gravity at 9.8 meters per second squared. Let's back up, and why don't you make a guess as to what's going to happen if we do air friction? That kind of ruins the guess right there. Air friction makes it so that the helium floats. Other than that, it would all be the same. Let's see how it looks this time when we hit play. And D, notice they still fall at 9.8 meters per second squared. Notice they do rebound off the ground at different amounts. Can you figure out why that is? Discuss that with your neighbors and see if you can come up with a solution. So my friends, I hope you had fun with this, and I hope when you walk away from it you remember that everything falls at the exact same rate unless they are affected by air resistance. Friends, if you had fun with this, please hammer that like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.